Pero ang tanong, lumalawak ba to ng maayos o minamadali lang kasi uso? Ang problema kasi, kapag may bagong group na nilalabas na kulang pa sa training,
Welcome to my channel, my Showbiz Corner. Viewers, supporters, subscribers.
Let's unbox. So this one is my second or third time to the pop-up, and I decided to buy a little bit more merch. And this time I got the bag because I saw Stella from New Zealand went with us to our trips with Traveling 18, and she carried the bags. So I decided to purchase one. This looks cute. Can be carried around the waist. Can be carried over your head like this. That. So whichever you prefer, I think it looks good. Yeah. It's a little noisy over here. It's a public place. But I just came from the pop-up and I didn't want to wait. I'm waiting for my breakfast. So this is the card holder. When I'm traveling, sometimes I only want to carry 1 or 2 cards and an ID with me. So this is like a perfect thing to put your cards into. So yeah, I use it for that purpose. I got some more keychains. Sarah has a YouTube channel called Sally Bally, and she's part of Traveling 18. And she asked me to buy some of these for Doki and Embrielle. I'm gonna open it just to make sure that I got the right stuff that they asked for, and then I'm gonna mail this over to them. Sorry Doki, I'm opening it. 2 SBs, 1 Duka, and 1 toy friend. I hope you enjoy these. I'm gonna send this over when I get back to the United States. Just treat it like a gift from Traveling 18.
Tita, sinong bias mo sa SB19? Sinong bias mo? Di ba isa lang bias mo? Sino? Sino number 1? Sino? Si Bebu? Si Bebu? Si Bebu? Sino nga? Ayaw niya sabihin. She has a boyfriend.
With the SB19. Probably has all that lot of money.
You know what is the SB19?
No, he's young. He's guapo.
He dance?
He dances, he sings.
So well, yeah. He dance and sings so well.
Oh,
Ang galing niya, no?
I thought it was
Pati si
Eric
Mayaw.
Santos.
Eric.
Okay, so the rule is you will guess who's singing, okay? Understood? Understood, okay.
Josh, you're right!
Sis, ang galing mo. Ba't alam mo kagad? Oh, Tish. Ha?
Justin, you're right! Uy, yakap niya ba si Justin?
Nandito sa paraiso, pinangarap nating binuo. Huwag gumuho. Bawat minuto ibigay ko ang lahat. Kaya mo na munang akong pumasat ng bigat.
Sabi sa inyo, hindi pang masa ang SB19 eh. Tingnan nyo ni Lollapalooza. Saan sila? Pang aliens. Sabi sa inyo, hindi pang masa ang SB19 eh. Tingnan nyo ni Lollapalooza. Saan sila? Pang aliens. Yeah.
Mine, Josh. Mine, Josh.
Okay, o yung isa.
Mine, Pablo.
Tatabi naman siya eh. My Josh. Yeah.
Mine, Josh. Mine, Josh.
Okay, o yung isa.
Mine, Pablo.
Tatabi naman siya eh. My Josh.
Okay, so the rule is you will guess who's singing, okay? Understood? Understood, okay.
Josh, you're right! Sis! Ang galing mo! Ba't alam mo agad? Oh, Liz. Ha? Justin! You're right! Oh, yuyakap niya ba si Justin?
Meron lang comments about P-pop Hindi lahat ng lumalabas na P-pop groups dapat ready ng i-debut. So maganda naman, dumadami na yung P-pop groups ngayon. Ibig sabihin, yung industry natin lumalawak na. Pero ang tanong, lumalawak ba to ng maayos o minamadali lang kasi uso? Ang problema kasi, kapag may bagong group na nilalabas na kulang pa sa training, yung unang binabato doon yung members. Pero sa totoo lang, hindi naman sila dapat yung unang sisihin. Kung kulang pa sa vocal training, sayaw, sa stage presence, saka sa chemistry, ibig sabihin yan, may mga management na nagdedesisyong ilabas sila kahit hindi pa sila ready. At delikado doon, lalo na sa mga P-pop groups ngayon, mas mataas na yung standard kasi sinet ng SB19, BINI, Alamat, G22, BGYO at iba pang groups na nagpakita kung gaano kahalaga yung matinding training bago lumabas sa public. Hindi na pwedeng basta magbuo ka lang ng grupo, bigyan mo ng kanta, tapos tawagin mo ng P-pop. Of course, P-pop deserves preparation, hindi exploitation. Kasi kapag minadali mo yung debut, hindi lang performance nila yung maapektuhan, pati yung confidence ng artist, pati yung tingin ng tao sa buong industry. Kaya for me, kung gusto nating lumakas yung P-pop talaga, hindi lang dapat dumami yung groups. Dapat dumami yung groups na talaga.
Thank you for watching, guys. See you in the next video and update. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Keep watching. God bless everyone, and always remember, be yourself and be a good one.